welcome back to the new class. The last class we are discussing the word problems, joining thousand. Same we are continuing the word problems. So one problem is the, then I will read the question. The school buys vegetable for making children's lunch. Lunch or noon section. Okay, then preparing lunch for students. 2,725 rupees was spent in June for this and 675 rupees more in August. The word more. The amount spent in July 175 less than the amount in August. The amount in September is 275 more than the amount in June. What about this question? Then the school buys the vegetable for making children's lunch. 2,725 rupees was spent in June for this and 675 rupees more in August. Okay, then is the June month is 2,725, then August month more than 675 in August. Comparing this June month. The amount spent in July. First of all, we want to find out what August month, how much money spent for August. How to find out? Then 675 rupees more in August for this. Okay, then how to find out this? In August month, I write here in August. How to find out the August month, the money? How to find out? Then more than 2,725. How much? 675. Add these two numbers. We already learned more than is there. You do the addition. So 2,725 plus 675. 2,725 plus 675. Add this number. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 is the carryover. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Again 1 is the carryover. 6 plus 7. What is the answer? 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 1 is the carryover. 2 plus 1, 3. Then add. We got what? 3,400. 5 plus 5, 10. 0. 1 is the carry. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. 1 is the carry. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 1 is the carry. 2 plus 1, 3. Then what about 3,400. In August month, how much money? 3,400. In the amount spent in July, how to find out the July? 175 less than the amount in August. Amount in August 3,400 less than 175 rupees in July. Then less than is given. What do you do? Then you do the subtraction. Okay, in July. Then find out the July. In August 3,400 minus 175. Okay, then we are doing like here. No space is there. So 3,400 minus 175. The less than is there. You do the subtraction. Okay. Then again 0 minus 5 is possible. No. 0 minus 7 is possible. No. 1 borrow from 4. 4 will be 3. 0 will be 10. Again 1 borrow from 10. 9. 0 will be 10. 10 minus 5 what is? 5. 9 minus 7 what is the answer? 2. 3 minus 1. Take 3 fingers. Close the 1 fingers. What will get here? 2. Then 3 is right down. In July, how much amount of July? What? 3,225. 3,225. Okay. Then what about you find out last one? The amount in September is 275 more than the amount in June. Then what about June? June what? 2,725. More than. We are doing the more than. What will do? The word is given more than. What will do? do the addition. Okay, then you're doing 2725 plus how much money? 275. Add these two amount in September. Okay, in September more than 275 in June. So we add these two amount. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 is the carryover. 7 plus 2 plus 1 what? Again 10. 1 is the carryover. 7 plus 2 plus 1 again 10. 1 is the carryover. 3 plus 2 plus 1, 3. Then what amount in September? 3000. Then what is the first question? How much was spent in each of these 4 months? Each of this one. In June. June is already there. 2725. Okay, 2725. In August, 3400. In July, 3225. In September, 3000. In June, what? 2725. First question is solved. Then what is the second question? In which month was it most? Okay, look at this here. Amount, which one is more? More what? In what? In August. 3400. Is more what? Most. Most what? August. Then, and the least. Least what? Which month is least one? Least. You look at the amount. Is June. June is least amount collected what? June month 2725. The other 3 months is starting from which number? 3000. 3400, 3225, 3000. See, so most is August, least is June. What about the second question is solved? Then what is the third question? How much was spent in all 4 months together? 2 words is there. In all together. What will do? How much was spent in all 4 months together? Word is together. What? You do the total amount. In word is given together. What will do? Addition or subtraction? Addition. You find out the total amount of these 4 months. Add these 4 amounts. Then you add it. First one, June, 2725. July, 3225. August, 3400. September, 3000. Add these 4 numbers. June, July, August, September. Find out the total amount of this month. Add 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 is the carryover. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 2, what is 4 plus 2? 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 7, 6 plus 7, what? 13. 1 is the carryover. 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 1, what? 12. Then this is we got what? 5-digit number. How to read the 5-digit number? 12,350. Then read first 2 digits with 1000. 12,350. Then the total amount of these 4 months is 12,350. This is the 12,350. Now to read, it's a 5-digit number, 12,350. Understood? Then I hope you all are understood this problem. Okay, children, first of all you study how to read the 5-digit number. Okay, children, now we are going to study the next word problem. The school buys milk from the dairy farmer society. When is given is the last week is 4,704 rupees. This 4 rupees in the last week. Then this week 100 rupees less. Then you look at the whole problem, is directly not given the amount. But some hints is the less than or more than. First you understood one thing, that more than is given, you do the addition. Less or less than is given, you do the subtraction. Okay, then amount is directly not given the word problem. So if I have to find out the amount, you listen to the question carefully and read it. Okay, then you do the addition or subtraction. Okay, children. Then in this problem, last week 4,704 rupees. Okay, in this week 100 rupees less. In this week amount is not given, but only in this given, what 100 rupees less in the last week. Understood? 100 rupees less in the last week. Then less means what? Less than. You do what? Subtraction. Then what is the question? How much should be paid to the society the 2 weeks together? Read this up. Together. So first week is given. Last week amount is given. Last week at 4,704. This week amount is not given. How to find out? Only one in this, the 100 rupees less. So you do it 4,704 minus 100. Understood? Do the workout section here, then 100. 4 minus 0 what? 4. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 1 what? 6. 4 is equal to 4,604. Then the last week 4,704. This week 4,604. Then you have to find out the 2 weeks together. How to find out the together? Total amount. Total amount. How to find out the total amount? 4,704 plus 4,604. You do the addition. Do the addition. Then how to do the addition? 4,704 plus 4,604. Then word is together is given. You do the addition. So 4 plus 4 what? 8. 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 6, what is the answer? 13. 1 is the carry over. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. Then the last 2 weeks, what is the total amount? 9,308. Total amount is 10,308. Okay, children. Now we are next you are doing to complete the pattern. Complete the pattern. It's a very simple. Then how to write the pattern easily? First you have to read the question carefully and check it which place is changed. Okay, which place is changed. Okay, first of all you are doing 1,221, 1,222, 1, 2. This is what a ones place. Here is which place is changed? Ones place. 1,221, 1,222, 1,223. Then what is the next one? 1, 2, 3. What is that? 1,224, 1,225, 1,226. Okay, the second one. 1,221, 1,231, 1,241. You check the tens place. 2, 3, 4. Then what is the next? 1,251, 1,261, 1,271. Which place is changed? Tens place. The next 1,221, 1,321, 1,421. Is what which place is changed? 100, 2, 3, 4. What is the next? 1,521, 1,621, 1,721. So we are writing the pattern. First you find out which place is changed. Okay, then you read the question carefully and write the next numbers. Okay, children. Then D question. 1221, 2332, 3443. What are all places are changed? You look here. 1221. 2 and changing but 3 3. 1 changing 2. 2 changing 3 3. 1 changing 2. Okay, again 2 changing 3. 3 changing what? 4 4. 2 changing 3. Then what is the next? 3 changing 4. 4 changing 5. 3 changing 4. Then read this number. 4554. Understood? Next what? 1000 place 4 change what? 5. 5 is 6. Then 4 changes 5. Then what is the answer? 5665. Understood? What? 5000, 6000, 6677. 5 is 6. What is the answer? 6776. Understood the last question? 1221, 2332, 3443, 4554, 5665, 6776. So this pattern, how to find out, complete the pattern. First you check it which places is changed. Then you are writing the next numbers. Okay children, I hope you all are understood the odd problems. Now let's wind up the class now. And we'll catch up later. Bye.